So, hey guys! Welcome to my new Roblox video. In today's video, I'm gonna play with Maya, and in today's video, what we will do is we will rob people's houses, and they will not just unlock their house, we will just go to their houses secretly.
And no one knows we're going in their house. So
yeah,
right.
Make sure to click the bell icon. Let's start our today's video.
Okay. Let's just see the house games first.
Okay, Maya has written her name up, and this is me.
Okay, let's go to house number 11.
Wait.
No, wait. Maybe.
House number 11 is good.
Okay.
I don't like this house, but we can go here. Okay, come, hurry up.
Okay, first you carry me up.
Okay, I'll carry you. I'll just carry her and drop you.
Jump. See?
Okay, so guys, Maya is just in. Maya, bring me in, please, Maya.
Yeah, wait.
Oh my gosh, someone is coming in.
Oh my gosh, hurry! I said hurry.
Okay, we are here, and we'll just take the bomb. Hide and take the bomb. Come here. Maya,
Just come and read.
Oh my gosh, where's the bomb? I can't find it. I can't. Wait a minute. Where's the bomb?
Oh my god, I got it.
Yeah, I got it too. Wait. We both can. First of all, one of them secretly come.
So done.
Oh
my gosh, come, run.
You already robbed?
Yeah, run.
Where was the safe?
Come, run.
Did you got the money?
No, I did not.
So why didn't you take? Okay, no problem. We can take another house because someone can come.
Come. Now just go through the house games. Hurry.
Wait, no. Which house? Can you tell me, please?
Yeah, just click here.
12?
No, 11. Again.
Okay.
Yeah,
I'm just going on.
See, now let's go to 12. Where is the 12?
12 belongs to Lily, and Lily looks clever and wise girl. She's so foolish, I think. You know, I just saw her. She was
let's go through the back because I don't know if she does.
Yeah, and even she was so rude to me before a few days ago. Okay?
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, what?
Wait a minute. I was just setting my
screen. Come here.
Where? No, we can't just do it with the window.
Okay.
We just can do it with the door or with the backyard door, okay?
Okay, just wait.
Wait a minute, please.
Task.
Oh my gosh, what happened? Okay.
Okay, come now, pick me up. Hurry.
Wait a minute,
Give me the
please.
request. I'm waiting.
Oh my gosh, what happened? Okay, here we are. And where are you? I can see you. Wait.
What happened to your screen?
I don't know. Wait a minute. Yeah. I did it. Hi, can you adopt us, please? Sorry, we cannot help. Sorry, poor little girl.
Hurry, just come on in.
You just didn't give me the request.
Wait. I
Sorry.
forgot to give you the request.
Sorry.
So sorry.
Next time.
Can you move here?
Okay, I'll just move.
So that I can give you the request.
Okay, I just
move a little bit over here.
Okay, I'm here.
Okay, now good.
Just destroying her.
I cannot give the request. I don't know.
Because I'm not near and you're not far. Just go a little bit far and then just give me a request.
Yeah, you were right. I think so. Let me check. Oh my gosh, she will ban us.
Is she the girl?
Yeah, maybe. Okay, calm down. Okay, now
Why didn't you brought me? Okay, you just carry me.
Okay, you go inside.
You have to go stick with the door.
You go inside.
We can't just do it. Okay, just move a little bit front.
Okay.
No, you just can carry her. Not anything else. Just carry me, her. I asked you carry her.
Okay, no problem. Just do it.
No, we can't do it with piggyback.
Oh, I just forgot it. Okay, I'm giving you weight. It's carry hurt. Okay.
Okay, carry her.
Done. Hurry,
Okay,
hurry.
okay, wait, I'm jumping. If she bans me, so what? What will I
Okay,
do?
now hurry.
Wait, she's putting so many mattresses, so... Okay.
It's ugly, maybe something.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh, am I here? Yeah, now let's
Where's her safe? We don't know where's her
Let's
safe.
back.
Oh, I saw her safe. I'll just rob her. Oh my gosh. It's so good.
Yes, I did it.
I took the money. I'm taking the money. Okay, get ready. We have to go. Hurry. She have to ban us.
House
She'll just ban us.
Yeah, I got it. I got it.
Yeah, you did it. Unable to perform. Cannot be sitting.
Yeah, now house number 13. No one is there. In house
Yeah.
House number 14.
Wait, Maya.
Yeah.
Please wait. Okay.
Okay, sorry. Okay.
We'll just go to 14.
Yeah, there is no one in 13.
Oh my gosh. We have to rob. Do you know this? What is the robbing area here? Keep the bomb off. And please, first of all, I can go in, right?
Yeah. Run.
Just come in. Just go to the door closer.
Okay.
And closer.
Closer, more closer.
Oh, closer. No, closer.
I cannot get more closer.
Okay, what will happen that I'll just carry her, okay? And I just gave you the request of
I cannot
carry
jump
her.
in.
Wait. What is the matter? Maybe this
I think
door is-
so. This house.
Wait.
Cannot go in or something like that. I don't know.
Okay, we can see if if there's any backyard. Oh, we can go from here, but we cannot open that, right?
Oh, wait. I have an idea.
Maybe there's a
Wait.
backyard.
If it works, I will tell you the idea.
No, if we go from here, so we cannot just rob her the safe.
Wait. Oh my gosh, he'll ban us. Definitely,
Oh my gosh.
he'll ban us. Come, hurry, run.
No need to run. I'm not
Okay.
scared of him. Like,
Now
for
let's
what?
see. House number 14. It's difficult. Okay, I have an idea, but take
Okay,
a
just
chance.
I'll take high.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, just be friendly to him so he'll think you're his friend, okay? Something like that. I love it, teasing others. Okay, now I'm gonna just...
Oh my gosh, he's not.
Oh my gosh.
He's just putting a ladder. Maybe.
I am putting the ladder.
Okay. Do you hear you? What do you mean? What
Oh my
do
gosh,
you mean?
I was just there, but oh my gosh, we need to rob this house. Run!
Okay, no need to rob this. We'll
No,
just.
almost I was there, but the ladder is...
Okay, what happens is he's not letting us in, right? We'll just take we will just take our revenge. We'll keep coins outside his.
all my house. You had to go through going. Okay, what else?
Okay, I just kept some coins because he's not letting us in. Let's hurry.
So let's just
Just move to house 16. Hurry.
Wait, let me try it again and then I'll come to house 16.
Maybe I cannot go in. We cannot go in this house. Okay, so come, hurry up.
Just wait.
Did we
Okay,
try
I'm
this
coming.
house?
This is just a failure.
Yeah,
Customer 16.
yeah. Oh my gosh, someone is there. I'll just
House number
pretend that I'm looking.
16.
Wait.
Pretend that we are walking, nothing else.
I wish he could go out or he cannot see us, maybe. Oh, can we check out his backyard? What do you mean to say
Come,
that?
hurry.
He will just ban us.
Yeah, you're
What are you doing here for now? It's just... Oh my gosh. Come, hurry.
Are you there?
Yeah, he's on the door.
No, come. Okay, come.
Oh, hurry.
Oh gosh, he's gonna man us.
No problem.
We just have to run. Oh, it's just the bomb.
I just took the money. I'm just running.
You are you're very good at this game. Okay, now house number
21 is on.
21.
Okay, hurry, please come, hurry.
21. Here we go. I'm gonna rob your house. Ha ha.
Okay, I'll just carry you.
Okay, what? Our war.
Okay. I just.
Yes, I got it.
Okay, just make me in. Please, just take me in, please.
Wait. I'm doing it.
Cause the time is running. Please hurry.
Run inside.
You have to move Maya. Cause I have to jump. Otherwise, I'll be out. Oh my gosh,
What do you mean?
Maya, carry me.
Okay, I just carried it before. Carry.
But I have to tell you. And Maya, now just go to the stairs. Okay.
Really, where there?
I know where's the safe. I know where's the safe in this house because I have taken this house 100 times and I love it. Oh my gosh.
Let's just run.
Okay. Mom. Oh my gosh.
You did it?
Yeah, I did it. Oh my gosh, Curtis has ejected me. Oh my gosh. This is.
Okay, so you.
Let's just exit Maya. Hurry.
No, I love here. It's so fun.
Maya, just leave. Hurry up.
I'm just coming. Please. Why are you leaving me alone?
Maya, hurry. Just carry me outside.
Okay, I'm there.
Oh, no. We can just take the house cams, right?
Yeah, I
What is this?
just took the house cams. Okay, now let's go.
She just maybe wait. Just go to house cams and see if anyone is taking the house.
House 21.
Yeah, there's in a lake secretly.
No, wait. Don't go there. First come with me. I will tell you.
Open. I wish she could go in. Please go in. Please go in.
Wait.
Oh my gosh, she's here.
Oh my gosh, I need to be safe.
Okay, she's going. I think she has not locked her door. Maybe it's on the floor. Bye.
Whatever, let her go just. And then we will
Hurry
enjoy.
up, please.
Oh my
gosh.
Oh my gosh.
She said someone's on the gate.
We need to hide from her. She might see us.
I think she just saw me, really. You know?
And me too, in the water.
Just go, hurry up.
Where should I go?
No, this Lily, the owner, she's not going in. Our time is wasting.
I don't understand. No, she's holy. She's not Lily. She's
Oh my
holy.
god, she's maybe she's not exiting. We can just go and check out another house if it is.
Okay, we can do this. Just wait.
Okay, there's someone in Ingleview, no one in Gold Ranch, and maybe we get it.
Okay, run, go from here. Shh, go.
No. So, where are you? Where are you?
I'm here.
Okay.
Come,
So,
hurry.
just carry me, please. Hurry up. I'll carry you.
I'm gonna carry you. Okay, carry me. Okay.
Hurry, just rob and come, cause we don't have time. Hurry.
Just wait him. Just come near the door.
I asked you just rob. Okay, hurry up. You're just holding the bomb.
I cannot do it because you're.
Because you are holding the bomb. Maybe. Okay, I'll just come to the window. Hurry. Please, hurry, please.
I'm doing it. I cannot. I don't know why.
Okay, just rob and come. Hurry. Just you rob and come. Hurry up, please.
Okay, I'm doing it. Don't shout at me.
Oh my gosh. I just asked you to hurry, please.
Oh my gosh. She's here?
No. The boy is here.
Oh my gosh.
You just gave me the ball. Why? Okay, just leave it and just come, please, for God's sake.
I'm doing it. No, I'm doing it.
So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel, click the